Hello children, now I'm coming back with the third part of the understanding media and advertising. So this is the third part. In second part we have done the public opinion and democracy and right to freedom, which you understand. Now, and please read the book. Now we are going to start today in third part the Indian media. Okay. Children, Indian media initiated in the law 1700s, while the print media started in 1780. Okay, again I'm repeating, the Indian media that is initiated in the late 1700, but print media started in 1780. As the radio broadcasting है ना initiated in 1927. So Indian media we can say initiated in the 1700. Print media started in 1718, and if you are talking about the radio broadcasting, initiated in 1927 children. And the screening of Augusta and Louis Lumiere moving the pictures in Bombay, that is initiated during the July of 1895, is among the oldest and largest media. Okay, that is in Bombay, that is initiated during the July of 1895, which is in among the oldest and the largest media of the world. Indian media children, particularly the private media in India. Okay, Indian media, particularly the private media in India, has been free and independent throughout most of its history. The period emergency in India. Okay, the period of emergency in India, 1975 to 77. Okay, the period of emergency. What is children? The period of emergency in India 1975 to 77, that is declared by the Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. Again I am repeating, the period of emergency in India, which is in 1975 to 77, declared by the Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, was the brief period when India's media was faced with government retribution. In India, children, over 99 million newspaper copies were consumed as of 2007. In India, over 99 million newspaper copies were consumed, means 99 million newspaper was used as of 2007. Making in the second largest market in the world of newspaper. Yes, in the world of the newspaper, India, we can say it is the second largest market in the world. Why? Because by 2008, India had a total of, what is it in children? India had a total of 60 crores internet users. Think that is the second largest market in the world of the newspaper, but by 2008 India had a total 60 crores internet users, comprising 6% of the country population. 4 lakh people in India also have access to broadband internet, making in the 18th largest country in the world. In terms of broadband internet users. India also ranked 8 in the list of countries in the number of the television broadcasting section within 1997 section. So that is the data of the up to 1997. If this time we are going to get the data, so that will be something different, because nowadays the using of the internet or broadband, people are using the broadband internet users, that is the data will be sure different, because now the whole world is depend on the internet only or broadband internet using only. So definitely the data will be different. Now advertising, children. India advertising on social media sites, it's definitely effective. Social media is open and transparent to its audience. Of course, the social media is open and transparent to its audience, as nowadays we are using that, and we are again and again, I'm telling you, we are depending on that only. So it makes sense for brands to be there on social media sites. Advertising, children, if you will see that movies, you will see the serials, even your on internet also, if you're watching the nowadays any of the dance program also, even the personal videos also people are sharing with their videos, so in between that also we are getting the advertisement. So advertisement, what we see in the advertisement, so of course we see in the advertisement in the sense of the brands to be there on the social media sites. As children, media help us in spreading the information among the masses means public. Advertising is one such way and the best way to influence public opinion by means of the communication with the masses again and again. Whenever manufacturers and producers produce any good, they want to sell it to grab attention of their customers. Take help of advertising the product with its quality and unfulness in our day-to-day life. Children, advertising, why people they give their advertisements are there for any of the product. If any company producers, when they produce any goods, any of this, suppose that you are going to produce any of the product, okay, that is of the toffee, chocolate, or any health drink or any beauty products, any of the things, suppose that you are going to produce your any of the product. So what you will think, why you are going to produce any product? Of course you want the good sell in that, then only you can earn money, you can earn profit. So the same thing, the producers, when they produce any goods, they want sell it to grab attention of their customers. Means customers should be when they see the advertisement of that product with the quality, and they must be they give the 100% surety of the quality product, so that will be usefulness in to our day-to-day life. That the thing we go and buy. Sometimes we change our brand also, and we try to new brand to see their test and all. So when any product it's coming in the market, and whatever the products already are in the market, every day new products are coming in the market. So there is a big challenge between the brands, because every producers, they want that their product should be sell more and more, then only the profit will be there. Yes, so already the products which are in the market, so they have a big and tough competition between them. So in that they try to make very effective advertisement which can influence or create the interest in the customers to buy their product. Understood? So that's the reason advertisement in a sometime you see the same product is there, but they keep on changing their advertisement stories also, and they include the some other benefits in that product, that continuously selling should be there. And in that, if already the big competition is there, but in that any new launch is there, any new product is coming in the market, so in that also they have again the same and intention was there to sell the product more and more. Okay, so social media marketing, which is SMM, is the next big thing in advertising, and SMM is a form of internet or online marketing. It aims to achieve its branding and marketing goals through various social media networks, social web application, and through various other sources like 3D World, like Second Life, Active Word, etc. With the introduction of social media, consumers started opposing the passive way in receiving the communication from marketers. They have now become effective contributors and contributing to brand messaging. Apart from consumers point of view, every company has a different product with unique features of their customers. Their marketing campaigning differ. SMM plays an important role in creating brand awareness, increasing visibility, increasing feedback, even online reputation management, as well as the selling a product service. So social media also, we can say, play the important role in advertising for the consumers also, as we are the consumer customers, for choosing the correct thing for according to our personality and our needs. It's not only the benefit for the producers only, children, those who are coming with the new products in the market, but it is a very positive sign for the consumers also, as we are. Suppose that take the health drink which you like into the milk to add and like to have to drink. So in that also, sometimes for the same kind of brand when we use it, so we feel started boring with the same kind of taste. So what are the new products are available in the market? How we know, children? Just because of the advertisement we are able to know that in health drink also we have an option. Okay, from 6 months we are using the Complan, but this time we should try the Horlicks or any other product. So how we will know that new products are coming? By the advertisement only. So that is for the both, for the producers also and for the consumer also. That is for the both benefits is there for the producers, for the selling their brands in a large way. They give the advertisement for their product, and for the consumer also to know where for the new products in the market, what are the new products are available in the market and which is suits in our pocket. That how consumer they know, just because of the advertising. So that is that's the reason advertisement that play the important role in our life. Then only we are able to choose our product. Yes, the same kind of product for the as I have given the example for the health drink, sometimes their packaging also, the producers they change their packaging also, and other their taglines also, and means moreover they try to give their quality in their brand, the good qualities they try to give. And we as a consumer also, when we are lost our pocket, when we spend the money, so we also want that if we are spending the money, so we want the good brand with the good quality. So advertisement, it helps to us also to choose the good brands, whatever our needs are there, requirements are there, what are the products are available in the market. So in this part we have done the advertising, and now in the next part we will do why advertising and other topics. So till then, please read the book. Bye bye.